Why should you care about using a pricing calculator? First, start by listing all of your costs. This includes fixed costs like your camera gear and software subscriptions, and variable costs such as travel, props, or assistants. For example, you calculate that your fixed monthly costs are around $500, and for a wedding gig, you estimate $150 for travel expenses. Next, calculate how much time you'll spend on the project. For this wedding, you estimate 8 hours of shooting on the day of the event, 2 hours for travel, and 12 hours of editing. That's 22 hours of work total. So let's say you value your time at $50 an hour, that's $1,100 just for your time. Now let's set your profit margin. A common starting point is a 20% profit margin. With your costs adding up to $650, fixed and variable, and your time valued at $1,100, the total comes to $1,750. If you add a 20% profit margin, you're looking at an additional $350, bringing the total to $2,100. But having this solid foundation ensures you're not underselling yourself.